Hello everybody, this is my new Samsung Freestyle mini projector and this is my unboxing. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch my Samsung Freestyle unboxing. As you can see, inside box contents are one projector, a lens cover, and a remote, charger, and USB cable. The thing is quite dense. The remote has your similar buttons to your smart TV, has a home, back button, some quick buttons for your or most popular streaming apps, and it looks like it has a voice command button as well. I will post more content as days and weeks to come about this little guy, and can't wait for you guys to come back and see what this is all about. Thank you.